Okay, this is just a short video looking at the subject of approach notes, and you may have come across these before. I'm sure other YouTubers have covered this, the jazz guitar guys probably have, but I just thought it might be interesting to have a quick look at this. Basically, an approach note is a note which leads you onto a target note, and target notes are usually from the chords arpeggio. And you can have an approach note from below, and you can also have one from above, and you can have combinations of those, and sometimes you can have more than one approach note. So I'm just very quickly going to look at some of the more common ones. I'm just going to take a C major chord, and I'm not going to put any sevenths or any extensions against the chords like ninths or anything. I'm just going to play a straight triad with the octave at the top, so root, third, fifth, and then the octave there. And probably the most straightforward approach note is simply to go from a half step below, or chromatic from below as some people call it. It's not always strictly a chromatic note in the sense that it comes from a different key, but the term is used a lot, so I'm just going to call it a chromatic from below, or a half step, one fret below. And against our triad we'd get, so chromatic from below. And if we're going from above, we can use chromatics, but probably a bit more common in terms of an approach is to go from a scale step above. So the scale I'm using there, because it's a C major chord, is the C major scale. D down to C, A down to G, F down to E, and then D down to C an octave lower. So that now gives us a chromatic from below, and also a diatonic scale step from above. Sometimes that's just called a diatonic approach from above. We can combine those. We could do chromatic from below, diatonic from above, and then our target note. Or you could reverse the order. Okay, so that's our short video for today, approach notes. There are many more that you can use, and other combinations. You can have things like double chromatics, but if this video proves of any interest, I'll try and do some more covering the other approach notes. Okay, thanks for watching.